Hey everyone! Welcome back to Midas Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be trying and reviewing the Sweet Candy Castle Polygel Kit by To Be Glam. This is such a gorgeous packaging and such a gorgeous collection of pastel polygels. We're gonna go ahead and look at everything that's included in the box. First of all, you get this cute little envelope that has instructions and like how to prep your natural nails and how to apply the polygels. And yeah, I think this is really cute and really helpful, especially if you're a beginner. And now we're gonna go ahead and look at all of the colors. First up, we have a color called Cotton Candy, and this is literally such a beautiful cotton candy color. It's like light sugar color. It's so pretty. I really like it. Then we have the second color, which is On Cloud Blue, and this is such a beautiful sky blue color. I really like it. Oh my gosh, I love pastel shades in general, and these are just perfect. I adore these. Next up, we have my favorite color in this collection, which is called Hello Fabulous, and I've never seen a polygel color like this before. It's just so beautiful. It reminds me of like tropical island waters. So cool. Next up, we have the color Sugar Rush, and this is another purple pastel shade that I absolutely love in this collection. I think it's just so beautiful. Yeah, just perfect. Then we have the color Happy Face, which is a pastel yellow shade, and it looks so beautiful. All of these are just so gorgeous. I love pastel shades so much. And then we had the color Sweet Cravings, which is another pink shade, but it's more pink than the cotton candy color. So yeah, it's also really pretty. So that's everything that's in the box. Let's go ahead and get started on those nails. I'm so excited. So the very first thing I did was pick out some extra long tips and glue them on my natural nails. And I was thinking of doing forms for these, but I just wanted to save some time and just put those on as they are with like nail tips below. They're just so much easier for me to shape. And then I went ahead and I put on a layer of base coat on all of my nails. And now I'm going to take the cotton candy color and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the entirety of my thumb and also my ring finger. And I'm going to be covering these fully with this polygel. And I left this section of me shaping the nail in so I could tell you a few things about these polygels that I really liked. So first of all, one of the things that I really like about this particular set is that the polygels are very easy to work with because they are not very sticky. They're pretty firm products. Like some polygels you might have worked with that are, cheaper quality, they tend to be runny and that makes them kind of difficult to work with. But I did not experience this with these polygels. I thought that they were really easy to work with because they were so solid. Like, I really like that. And also, despite the fact that these are pastel shades, as you can see, they're very pigmented, which was also amazing because sometimes you have to sacrifice how much pigment you can use in a polygel in order for it to cure properly. But these are very pigmented and they cured perfectly. They were super hard, like after 30 seconds in the lamp. So I was really happy about that. And the color payoff of this is just so beautiful. Like I've never used a polygel in this color before. So yeah, I hope you like it as much as I do. If you want to try these polygels, I have a discount code that you can use for a discount on your order. I will leave everything in the description and you can go ahead and use my links and help support my channel. I will earn a small commission from these. So yeah, now that I've let you know about these things that I love about these polygels, I want you to know that I am just simply doing an ombre. I am forming the nail with more product towards the end of the nail, and then towards the apex I was sliding down the color as you saw. As you know from previous videos, if you've watched my previous ombre videos, you know that I always tend to keep my brush relatively dry when it comes to doing ombre polygel. so that I can just glide the product and blend it in without it slipping away from the brush. I want the brush to be able to grasp the product a little bit better. So I hope that makes sense. I have more detailed videos on ombreing. I left as much of this as I could in so that it wouldn't bore you, but at the same time you can see right here how I'm just dragging the polygel down. So yeah, I really like working with these. They blend really nicely and they are really nice products. I really like them. So when it comes to these longer nails, they take forever to file, so I did that off camera, and this is what the finished product looks like after buffing and filing. And of course I'm going to go in with a layer of base coat on all of the nails to make sure that everything we apply on top of it just sticks and doesn't come off. The only thing I would have done differently if I did this again, I think you can see where the actual plastic tip starts. And I should have thought of it, I should have blended it in when I applied it, so keep that in mind. If yours are a little thicker, make sure that you blend them in. That's okay though, we're gonna do some nail art now, and I'm going to take this color that is very similar to the polygel. This is from Gelon, I think. I can leave you a link for that in the description. And I just went ahead and I added some little like swirls on the nail. I wanted to add something to just give it a little bit of pop of color without it taking away from the ombre design, so I thought that this would be really fun. And this really just reminds me of like tropical island waters, like I get these kind of vibes from it. So yeah, after that I also took a white liner and I just went ahead and I underlined those blue lines. And then I decided to use some of my favorite nail molds to add some flowers. And I wanted to use the polygel in these. It was kind of tricky. I kind of had to like position it on top of the little flower and just push the polygel into the mold. Usually I use Soligel or gel polish for these, but this was, an experiment and it kind of worked. So I'm happy with how this turned out. I did this for a few of the nails, and for the rest of them I used the darker gel polish that I used for the lines. So yeah, you can see I'm just scraping off some of the polygel because this would have been too bulky and I would have to either file them. Yeah, it wasn't perfect with the polygel, but it works. They were, sturdy. And they look really cute as well. I don't think I have a link to this particular nail mold. I think I got this from AliExpress. I'm not sure. But I will try to find it. If I don't and you really want this, drop a comment down below and just tell me, hi Maria, I want this, please find it for me. And I'll make sure to go ahead and find this for you somewhere so you can get it for yourself. Maybe even Vetsy sells this. I will take a look and let you know. But they're so cute. They have like unicorns and butterflies and stuff. They're so cute. So yeah, let me know if you want me to find them for you. So here's how the little blue flowers turned out as well. I'm also going to be using that turquoise, like bluish green butterfly. I got it from Shein. So as always, I'm going to be applying some clear polygel and some top coat, and then I'm going to be putting my charms on top of it. So I added the butterfly and then all the different flowers all around the nail. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I decided to also use some of those white opal stones that I got. I think I also got these from Shein. Let me know if you want a link to these as well. I'll try finding it for you. And yeah, I just added those. I thought that they looked really nice, honestly, because of the background color that I used for the nail. I thought that they matched so well. And I also wanted to add a little bit of clear top coat and some of these super shiny rhinestones in the middle of the flowers, just to give them a little bit more dimension, and make them stand out a little bit. And then I followed the same, I was gonna say procedure, the same pattern, I guess, on my thumb, and I added more of those flowers and rhinestones. And you can also just freestyle it, and if you have a different nail mold, you can use that to put some 3D art on your nails. And yeah, just anything you like that makes you happy and makes your nails look cute. After that, I went ahead and I added some top coat to the rest of my nails just to make sure that all the designs stay in place. And the only thing that I regret about this is that I should have put some glitter or some sparkly liner gel in between the white and the blue lines. I think that would have made it look so much better. But it's okay. I'm gonna add my cuticle oil and it's fine. You know, we'll do more designs. But for now, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun playing with these polygels. They're so lovely. I love these colors. And thank you so much to Be Glam for sending me this beautiful polygel kit. I will leave a link for purchasing it in the description down below. Don't forget to use my code for an extra discount. And let me know what you thought of this look. I just thought it was so fun. Also, I wanted to take a quick second to tell you that I took a little bit of a mental health break, but I'm back for more videos and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!